Experiencing data connectivity problems on Cricket Wireless? Cricket Wireless operates on AT&T's network and provides affordable data plans, but connection issues can occur due to various factors. These problems typically stem from misconfigured device settings, network limitations, or device incompatibilities. We'll focus on key aspects like APN settings for LTE and 5G networks. Common causes of data issues include misconfigured device settings, which can prevent proper network connection, network limitations such as weak signals or congestion, and device incompatibilities, where your phone doesn't support Cricket's required bands. These factors often manifest as slow speeds, intermittent connectivity, or complete data loss. A primary focus is APN, or access point name, settings, which are critical for LTE and 5G connectivity. APN acts as the gateway connecting your device to the internet via Cricket's network. Incorrect APN configuration is a leading cause of data failures, as it prevents proper data routing. Start diagnostics by checking signal strength and ensuring your device is properly provisioned. Ask if your SIM card was recently swapped or moved to a different device, as this can cause connectivity issues. Also, verify you're in an area with good coverage and that your device is compatible with Cricket's network bands, especially for 5G. Confirm your location's coverage, especially for 5G. Cricket has expanded 5G to over 90% of the U.S. population by mid-2025, but weak signals in rural or indoor areas can cause issues. Ensure your device supports Cricket's required bands for optimal connectivity. Since 2023, Cricket has significantly expanded 5G coverage, but outages and slowdowns can still occur during peak hours or in underserved regions. A July 2025 FCC report noted increased throttling complaints due to network congestion. Cricket's AI diagnostics in their app resolve about 70% of data issues quickly. Now that we've identified potential causes of your Cricket Wireless data issues, it's time to apply specific troubleshooting steps. The most common and effective fix involves checking and configuring your access point name or APN settings. The access point name, or APN, serves as the critical gateway that links your device to Cricket's network infrastructure and ultimately to the internet. When APN settings are incorrect or missing, data cannot route properly, leading to connectivity failures. For Cricket Wireless, the standard APN is typically ENDO for LTE connections, requiring no username or password, or Cricket for some legacy devices. To access and modify your APN settings on an Android device, navigate to Settings, then Mobile Networks, and select Access Point Names. This screen allows you to view, edit, or add new APN profiles. Follow these detailed steps to modify your APN settings. First, navigate to your device's Settings menu, then select Mobile Networks and tap Access Point Names. Here, you can select an existing Cricket APN or add a new one by entering ENDO or Cricket in the APN field. Confirm that no username or password is required for LTE connections. After saving your changes, reboot your device to apply the new settings and refresh the connection. If your APN settings are already correct, several additional troubleshooting steps can resolve data issues. First, reset your network settings to clear any corrupted configurations. Second, verify that your device is unlocked and compatible with Cricket's GSM network technology. Third, update your carrier settings through the Cricket app for the latest optimizations. Fourth, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your cellular connection. To ensure compatibility with Cricket's 5G network, verify that your device supports the necessary frequency bands. Download and use diagnostic apps like Network Cell Info to scan and display your current network bands, signal strength, and technology in use. Cricket Wireless introduced eSIM support in 2024, allowing digital SIM activation that eliminates physical SIM card failures. For ongoing data problems, reach out to Cricket's customer support or utilize their AI-driven diagnostic tools available through the app, which can resolve most issues automatically. Remember, proactive maintenance of your device settings can prevent up to 60% of data issues. Regularly verify your APN configuration, update carrier settings, and monitor network compatibility to ensure a smooth Cricket Wireless experience.